Hey guys, how we doing? I hope you guys had a good day. It's almost Friday. Well, actually, it is Friday now that you're watching this video. I'm making the video on Thursday. I had a wonderful day. I got out riding my bike. I came home, did some yoga with Adrian, and here we are. So today is going to be a nice and short lesson for you. We are going to be doing some preparation for our project for next week. Okay. To give you a look ahead, next week, you're going to have 2 work days essentially to create your own book. So there's a website called bookcreator.com, and I'll give you more details next week, obviously, but you'll be given a class code. You'll log in with your school Google account, and you will create a book with images and a story of your childhood, essentially. Okay. Of course, if you're not comfortable with that, you can always make up your own story, with your own images and all these different things that you can find online. Okay. So again, I'll give more details next week, but I want to show you what you're going to be doing today. So I'm going to share my screen. And remember, this is just preparation. This is just to kind of brainstorm. So today's assignment is called exactly that. It is called, if you go in Schoology, it's called book brainstorming. So I essentially have created an assignment or created a document for you with a table on it, and you're just going to put ideas in there to get you ready to go. And next week you're going to use this document to help you write your book. Okay. So I have right here, use your vocab list, and of course SpanishDictionary.com if you need to look anything up. Just be very careful about translating. We did the writing prompt on Wednesday, and I appreciate those of you who tried your best, but it was very obvious that some of you translated an entire paragraph, which I'm just not going to read because it's a waste of time. So please avoid doing that, and this is a way to avoid that, and I want to help you a little bit more, give you some more support, to get you to the point where you feel like you're comfortable writing sentences, okay? So what you're going to do is you're just going to answer these questions or finish the sentences. Right now, they do not have to be complete sentences, but they can be if you want to get a little work done for next week, okay? So the first question is, ¿Cómo eras? Eras comes from the verb ser. So the question is, what were you like? Okay, so I just said timid. That's it. You could go through and you could write complete sentences. Yo era muy extrovertido, for example. Whatever, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Or you can just put extrovertido and then write the complete sentence next week. I used to play with. I used to like. I had to. Think about maybe chores or things that you had to do when you were a kid. I said I had to feed the pets. That's what I did. I did more than that, obviously, but I have strong memories of feeding the cats and dogs and with fish for a little while. Anyway, my parents allowed me or did not allow me, if you just throw no in there. I said, my parents allowed me permitían pasar tiempo con amigos. They allowed me to spend time with friends. So that's just one idea. I have a bunch of boxes here. You do not have to fill them all in. You can add more if you want. Just right click and click insert row and boom. If you don't have enough, just delete the row, okay? So that is your assignment today. Remember, it's just preparation for next week. So next week we will be creating our own books. If you guys had me in Spanish 2, you might have done this last year. I don't remember if I did it with my Spanish 1 or my Spanish 2. But it's a super fun, easy to use website, and I think it fits perfectly with this chapter, okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know. But remember, this is just a brainstorm, okay? So quick, easy assignment. And that is all that I'm asking you to do for today. And next week, you will have 2 work days on Tuesday and Thursday to get your book done, all right? I wish you the best of luck. Remember to check Skyward. All of your grades should be up to date. If you see any problems, let me know. If you think you completed something, show it to me or tell me, hey, Mr. Paku, you can go back and look again, and I will update the grade book as soon as I can. All right, thank you for your understanding and patience, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. Bye-bye.